Hi and welcome to my playhouse, and today I'm gonna be picking the lucky winners of the 40,000 subscriber treasure hunt giveaway. And I have just been going over the numbers. There was 83 entries, not including me when I was testing this, and I have been in and I've removed everybody who didn't have at least one correct answer, and that leaves 65. So there's 65 people in here that are able to win a prize. Out of those 65 people, 60 has gotten the first answer correctly. There are 50 that has the second answer correctly, and there are 45 that has the third answer correctly. That's a total of 155 correct answers, and I did the math. So if you have just one answer in here, your chance of winning, because there are 3 prizes, your chance of winning are 1.93%. Those odds are pretty good. If you have answered all 3 correctly, there is a 5.8% chance of winning. Just a bit of statistics there. I have counted. There are people has entered from 20 different countries. Only one entry from Denmark. So I'm probably not gonna be. It's gonna be shipped outside, unless this very lucky. Unless there is a very lucky person in Denmark. Well, it's a chance. I'm not gonna disqualify just because I have to ship it not very far. So what did this do? I've been over some of the other numbers, because I make these treasure hunt giveaways so that you're looking through my old videos to kind of lift them out of the dirt. And there was 3 questions, and the first hint was in video number 125. Video number 125 had under 600 views when we started this. When I just looked at it a little bit ago, it now has 650 views, which is awesome. That video is doing good. Then the next clue, this was about a thing that I had replaced not long ago, and that was my chainsaw. I now have a Ryobi chainsaw, gas driven, and that clue was in video number 262. That video had under 800 views when we started this. Right now it has 823 views. 823 views. The last clue was something that I use a lot, but that I never show, and that's the camera that I'm recording on. That video had under 1,000 views when we started. Now it has 1,043 views. So all of these videos has gotten a lot of attention from you guys when you have been searching for these clues. So all the other videos that there wasn't any clues in has also seen an increase in numbers. When I announced the treasure hunt, there were 69 videos with under 1,000 views. Now there are 63. So 6 videos has gotten over 1,000 views now from this treasure hunt, and that's a positive thing for my channel, lifting up all those older videos. So I'm gonna be randomly picking the winners here, and I'm not gonna be doing that by myself. I can't show you the screen because I have all your email addresses. I'm not gonna be that stupid shit. So I have a randomizer, or actually I can show that. Here it is. Let's zoom in. We have a randomizer there, and we can pick a number from 1, and we actually have to pick number 2 because the top, I have it all in a spell sheet here. So the first line is just name and address and blah blah. So we have to go from number 2 and to number, I have to check that second. You're just gonna watch something else for a second. Yeah, that was 65 entries, so we have to go to 66. 66, yes. 66. I'm gonna be drawing the third prize for 2 of these memory sticks. Maybe I should just have the memory sticks so you can see them. There are 2 memory sticks there. Oh yeah, you can see those. Third prize, if someone wins, let's say that I pick some number and we go for one of the higher prizes and that number comes up again, I think we should just do, you can only win one of these prizes, but I believe it would be fair for the, if you win these 2 and the same number comes up when I have the first prize, well, we will redo the third prize. But let's see who wins third prize. 2 memory sticks. Generate. That's number 18. I will go and check who number 18 is, and if there is the chance that the person that has number 18 has answered incorrectly on the question for this prize, and in that case we'll have to pick another person. So I'll move you over there and you get to see me for just a bit. Urge there, and not yeah, okay, and not the screen. So number 18, I'm gonna write down number 18. 18, let's see. There, number 18. There. Yes, the question is good. The question was an awesome PCI E8X graphics card. That was the correct question, and that is Tio from Italy that has won that. City of Ginciat. Sorry, but Tio from Italy. That's his YouTube name. I have his real name. He's named something completely different. So third prize goes to Italy, Tio. So let's go to the randomizer. I'll just randomizer. We're gonna pick another number. There, that was number 18. Let's generate another one. 22. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing. Just gonna switch to me, go check if number 22, that's not far down, there. Oh, number 22 does not have the correct answer for question number 2 and second prize. So we have to go back and pick another number. Generate 58. Yeah, that's close. That's really close. Okay, 58. I'm gonna check 58. 58. 58 there. 58 has the correct answer for question number 2, and that was a price on a server. And that server was ridiculously high priced. It was like Well, the answer is $6,893.76 for that server. So yeah, and that is Spectra 1591, and he or she is from the United States. So 58 Spectra. That's USA. There. Let's go to the next for the first prize. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. First prize goes to generate number 17. Okay. Let's go check number 17. I will check number 17. There, number 17. Yep, we have a winner, and that is, how do you pronounce that? Chadler Newman from the United Kingdom, and he has answered correctly. So awesome. I'll write that down too. 17. So Chandler Newman. Chandler, that might be the right way to say that. And that's the UK. So I will already have emailed these people when you see this to tell them that they have won this contest and what they have won, and I will be shipping these prizes out as soon as I get a return address from these people. So but I have to thank you very much for participating in my treasure hunt giveaway. It has been awesome. I have gotten so many good comments and happy wishes for my 40,000 subscribers. 40,000, yeah, celebrating my 40,000 subscribers. So yeah, it has been really cool for me. And I'm already at, I think, am I at 40,300 or something now? It's something that I do count. It's always interesting. 40,367 subscribers by now. So awesome. Yeah, prizes goes to Italy, USA, and UK. So thank you very much for participating in the treasure hunt giveaway, and have a really nice day. Bye bye. Okay, it's a little bit later. I have an update for this giveaway. I have been emailing out to the 3 winners, and I have got positive response from the UK and from Italy with their addresses, and I got an email from Spectra 1891, 158, I forget, but he said that he didn't actually need the prize. So I asked if it was okay if I gave it away to someone that I thought needed it, and he is perfectly fine with that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take second prize, I'm gonna take third prize Italy, and I'm gonna bump that up. You're gonna get 4 sticks of memory, and I'm gonna give away 2 sticks of memory to the first person that answered my treasure hunt giveaway. And that's, I forget, I can't even pronounce his name, but you know who you are. I thanked you when you posted the first answer, because I was very worried that this wasn't working at all. So also from the States, Psycho, something like that. Also, I would like to thank people that has subscribed to me over at DIYTube. I am now the biggest channel on DIYTube with 161 subscribers. That's 100 subscribers more than when I started this. So that's totally awesome. I'm very happy about that. So I will continue editing this. The video is being edited right here. And this little piece of video that I'm recording now, am gonna go in at the end of this because I thought this update would be important. So yeah, third prize goes to United States. Second prize, I'm just bumping them up, Italy, and first prize goes to the UK, still the same. Just the one from Italy getting 2 more sticks, and 2 sticks going to the US, to the first person that answered all 3 questions correctly. I was very happy about that. Why is nobody answering this? Have I fucked up, or what have I done? And then this person, okay, I'll cut and I'll find out what his name is. Okay, here it is. That's him. I can't say that, but he's in the US and he was the first one to answer correctly. So thank you very much for taking part of this. Thank you very much for joining me over at DIY Tube, where I'm now at number 334 videos uploaded. So I'm still working on that. So again, have a nice day. Bye bye.